So picky with my shorts. If they're not flattering to the body, I don't want them. These are so flattering, like they're just so comfortable, super stretchy, and how adorable is the leopard print. I feel like they're not too long, they're not too short, they literally cover everything, so there's like no booty hanging out. I'm wearing a size small and there's still space in here, so I can be able to breathe. You can also add a cute little belt on here. They're definitely true to size. If you want a more snatched look, with the stretch that it has, you can probably downsize, but I would say just stick to your normal size. They're super duper comfortable. But yeah, if you want a cute pair of shorts, different pattern, not just the same old blue shorts, you should try these out. Link is right here.
Meron pa, madam. Meron pa, sis. Sige, pagtapos neto. Medium, sis. Medium, madam. Red, code ng 9. Medium, code 9. Code ng 9. 138 pesos.
Ano na?
Sige, padded na lang daw.
So, yun yun.
Ayan yung last. Okay, padded tops, madam. Ano yun? 168 na?
Lock mo na.
Okay, Madam Rica. Here's a Madam Rica. 138. 138 pesos. Okay, wait lang, madam. Okay, ayan siya. Isang box na lang to, madam eh. Isang box na lang siya. Okay. Kasi yung kaninang box, walang natira, madam. Oo, walang natira kanina. Okay, wait lang, madam. Ay, bakit? Okay, start na tayo, madam. 168. Pag may budget, pwede mag-lock. Okay, ayan. Habang konti ang kalaban. Habang konti ang kalaban. Small to med. 168 lang, code ng 4. Mga padded to, madam, ha? Okay, small med, code ng 4. 168 lang. Ayan, 40, madam. Ay, ito mo dumupang ano. Pang mall yung quality niya, embroidered. Okay, pang mall ang quality, small. Okay, small, madam. Padded, code ng 9. Embroidered, ang gundo. Okay, code ng 9, size is small, code ng 9. Padded lahat ng swimsuit, madam. 9, pang mall. Madam Maria, yours na. 198. 198. Next tayo, madam. Next. Oh. Okay. Small semi-med, code ng 5. Ganda nito, sis. 5 ang code is small semi-med, code ng 5. Okay, pag binili nyo to, madam, kasama na yung hanger. Kung meron kayong mga tindahan, ayun. Code ng 5, code 5. Next tayo, madam. Okay, ito maganda rin, ho. Small, madam. Small hanggang, okay, medium, code ng 9. Bagay ito sa mga pantalon, ho. Okay, small hanggang medium, code ng 9, madam. Code ng 9. Next tayo. Next. Okay. Ito naman, madam, is small. Okay, size small. Code ng 7. Small, code ng 7. 168 pesos. Okay, 7 ang code, madam, pang small. Code ng 7. Okay, 168 pesos, madam. Next tayo, is... Okay, small, madam. Small to medium, code ng 9. Small to medium, code ng 9, madam. Code 9. Okay, walang kalaban ngayon sa sa padded. 9 ang code, madam. Small to medium. Okay, next. Ito maganda seamless. Yang damit ko ni. Damit mo, madam. Next tayo is size na to ay small to medium. Seamless. Code ng 5. Small to medium, code 5. Code 5. Maganda dito nakatahi yung pad niya, madam. Okay. Code ng 5. Small hanggang medium. Tapos meron ko pang hanger na kasama, diba? May hanger pa siya. Okay. Next. Mga madam. Saan ba yung natin? Check natin ito. Uy. Okay, tap kayo ng screen natin mga madam. Tap the screen. Okay, madam, size na to ay pang... Okay, small to medium, madam. Small to med, code 8. Ang ganda, oh. Code ng 8, 168 pesos. Adjustable strap niya, madam. Code ng 8. Small to medium. Code ng 8. Next tayo, madam. Next. Uy. Madam, pang medium. Size medium, 168, code ng 5. Ala, ang ganda sis. Pang thirst strap. Code ng 5, size medium. May pali siya sa baba. Okay, si Madam Relly. Okay, here's ito, Madam Relly. 168. Okay, 168 pesos. Pag nag-mind kayo, Madam, kasama na yung hanger dyan. Okay. Pang mall na siya, Madam. Pang mall ang quality. Okay, size is small. Extra small hanggang small. Code ng 7, madam. Okay, extra